and this video is going to show you just that, how to go mobile. Take your site you already have and make sure that you have a mobily optimized site that people are seeing if they're using their smartphone. And this is going to show you just how to do that. I'm not going to go into why go mobile. There's a lot of reasons. It's an absolute stampede to handheld devices. And if your site is not optimized, you're going to be losing hordes of business because they're going to click away if it's not. To show you, let's just start out and show you. For our test subject, we're using my wife's Pilates studio site that I set up for her some 3, 4, 5 years ago. She still likes it just fine. She's got her intro video here, which she loves. And we're going to go first and we're going to test this. We're using GoMo. This is Google's mobile initiative. Google knows which way the wind blows, and it is blowing toward smartphones, toward handheld devices. This is why this video is crucial. You need to have a mobile site, and this video is going to show you really how to get a world-class mobile site in just a few minutes for just a few bucks or even free if need be. Okay, so the first thing I want to show you is a test of the site as it currently is. This is Ashland Private Pilates. This is what it looks like on the web. Here we're going to go to Google's mobile initiative site, and they have a little test your site tab there, which is I found to be very accurate. And here is what my wife's Pilates site looks like on a mobile device now, which most handheld device users are just going to probably say, forget it, I'll just go do it on the web, or I'll just forget about it. Not too cool looking, easy to navigate. That's what we're going to get ready to fix. Now, over here on the Build Your Site tab, Google recommends a bunch of different platforms for mobile. And there's just a ton of different ways this can be done. I'm going to show you the easy way. This is a Google recommended platform, Duda Mobile, at dudamobile.com. And I like this. It returns a really nice looking, easy to navigate site, and it's super easy to set up. I'm going to show you that right now. To get started, we just type in my wife's URL here, make my mobile site. The little frogs are going to go to work on it, and then it's going to spit out a really nice, really easy to navigate site that's mobily optimized. And wow, what a difference from what we just saw over here, right? Here's what it looked like before, and this is what it's going to look like afterward. And as you can see, it's easy to navigate, easy to read. We'll go back to the home page. Now, here you have all these templates that you could use, change it around, play with it, whatever. I like this plain simple. It goes good with my wife's site. We're going to continue to the next step, customize design. This is going to allow you to change this menu and have different options and colors there. It's fine how it is. The point is not to have super fancy something great. It's to have world-class functionality, because when you have your little smartphone in your hand, you don't want something cute. You want something that works good. This is going to work good. So we're going to continue, add features. Here's where the rubber meets the road in regard to price. This is the free site right here. Duda Mobile will do this for free. This is going to be an ad up here. It's going to have some big kind of glaring ad, and down here Duda Mobile is going to put their footer in, but it's going to be free. It's going to cost $0. Now, if we want the ad at the top to come off, this up here, we can turn that off. Now it's $9 a month. We can turn that footer off where it said due to mobile. It's still 9. All these features together, it's still 9. You can add a click to call. You can put on a mobile map, and you can also use your own domain, which I'll show you that in just a second. But we're just going to keep it free. My wife's Pilates business is booked solid already. However, if you are doing this to revenue generate and you are to client generate, think about spending the $9 a month. It'll probably return itself 100 times over, if not more, literally 100 times over every month. But we're just going to stick with the free, which will be fine. Continue and publish. Now here is what our mobile device address is going to be now. It's hosted by Due to Mobile. If you wanted to have so we're just going to hit continue and go to set up the redirect, the final step. Now if you wanted a cool web address, and they're recommending m.ashlandprivatepilates.com for your mobile site, then you have to upgrade, pay the $9 per month. What's that? $98, $100 a year. We're sticking with the free, so this is going to be our website address here, and this is how we set up the redirect. This is the final step, and here's where it gets a little bit techy. It even has a box down here. It says confused. Email this code to your developer. All you have to do is take this script right here and put it in your head tag, between your head tags in your site. Depending on what your site is, it's going to vary. So if you don't know what this is or what I'm talking about, you're best just to Google it. Google the type of site you have. Google how to add a script to your head, between your head tags. With my wife's site, it's going to be super easy because she's on WordPress with a thesis theme, which is the premier way to go in my opinion. With a website, content management of WordPress, and then the theme of thesis. And what thesis has, it's got a little box in here. It makes it so easy. You just copy this script from Due to Mobile, go back over to the has this little box that will actually add this into the head for you. Boom, and we're done already, just that easily. That was how easy that was to add that script in. But again, depending on the type of site you have, there's no way I could explain. I guess there's a way, but there's just an infinite variety of sites out there, although only a few, maybe a dozen basic ones, but it's going to vary. The main thing is you have to get it in between your head tags on your site, and we can do this for you for a nominal fee. Just go to our site, howtogomobile.org, and you can get a hold of us there. We'll be glad to do this for a very nominal fee, one-time fee, get you set up. Or if you have a developer, email that code to them right here, or do it yourself. Now, one last step. We've got this script into our head, and that's going to redirect smartphone users. So the smartphone's going to automatically know that you have a mobile device, and depending on whether you selected the free one or the paid one, it's going to redirect them to the right address, and then it's going to come up looking like $1,000,000 instead of like this. So let's test that out. Here's what it looked like before. And boom, after. What a difference. Again, Seth at howtogomobile.org. Come on over there. Go mobile. Stay mobile. It should make a huge difference to your bottom line. Good luck. Hey.